Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's session we're going to go over the currency pairs that are on my watch list, see what trading potential opportunities that we have for the coming week, and how we can actually maneuver our way and end up being profitable. So if that sounds interesting to you, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video, share with a few friends that you believe will also find value. Without further ado, let's get it. Okay, so we're going to start off with DXY. Obviously, as we can see, it's in an uptrend. Price is still pushing higher. So our next point of interest or our next target is obviously somewhere here, as prices have already broken above this descending trend line. So we anticipate to see prices keep on pushing until they reach this high. And as if we look into the 4 hours, we can actually see prices. Let's remove this. We can actually see that prices have already broken above the most recent high. That being somewhere here. Prices have broken above that. So we should be anticipating to see some kind of a retracement and an impulsive bullish continuation. That's what I'm anticipating to see at the beginning of the week before we hit on Wednesday, where I'll actually be sharing my update on what's really going on. Will prices from here be dropping, or will they break above and keep on pushing higher? If you don't want to miss that out, be sure to already be subscribed and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss the content. Just as I post it, you'll be updated immediately. So how does that impact other currency pairs? Obviously, we have USDJPY that's positively correlated with the US dollar. They just hit our targets last week, as we anticipated to see. After prices pumped here, we should be anticipating to see prices push all the way until up there. So what comes next is that we are anticipating to see some kind of a break, retest, and a continuation. So let's see how it plays out. We have Euro USD. Prices are now pumping lower. So for the coming week, we will obviously be anticipating to see prices keep on pushing lower as we see this bearish momentum kicking in. So it's very crazy. And all of this rejection from the upside. So we obviously anticipate to see prices keep on pushing lower this coming week. All the way until somewhere here. GBP USD obviously still in a downtrend. We should be anticipating to see prices, push lower until they hit this target. But I don't really want to trade GU. I want to trade EU. EU has set better with me. Like, its setup is much more beautiful, if you will, more than GBP USD. So I'll be focusing more on EU, but GU, obviously, that's what I'm anticipating to see happen. Same thing with gold. I'm anticipating to see some kind of a push on the lower side. As you can see, prices just bounced off the 0.5, and with that crazy bearish momentum, I'll be anticipating to see prices keep on pushing until they reach here. And then once prices reach here, obviously they have broken this low, and I'll be looking for a retest before prices keep on pushing until it reaches at about 1812. That's my anticipation on gold in the long run. So let's look at JPYX. JPYX, this is from the weekly perspective. Obviously, you can see the bears are kicking in heavy. So for the coming week, I'll be anticipating to see some kind of a continuation on the downside for prices to keep on pushing lower. How does that impact the JPY pairs? Obviously, on USDJPY, obviously, since it's inversely correlated, we'll be anticipating a buy. Euro JPY, we can see prices have already broken above this high, so we'll be anticipating to see prices keep on pushing higher. First targets will be somewhere here. Final targets will be around 168.591. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen this coming week. This will be one of my favorite trades to execute next week and make that bag. You know the vibes. We're gonna kill it next week. We're gonna kill it, man. If you're not in our free Telegram group, be sure to join. It's linked in the description. You don't want to miss out updates. You don't want to miss out on updates. Be sure to join. The link is in the description. Join that. Cadjpy, obviously, I'm anticipating to see a continuation. Prices to break above that structure. And then pump all the way until it reaches up there. So that's what I'm anticipating to see just for the coming week on a few pairs that I have on my watch list. If you don't want to miss out on updates, be sure to join my Telegram, our free Telegram group that's linked in the description. Also, be sure to subscribe so that you won't miss out on updates on the midweek analysis, because you want to make sure you're subscribed so that you can actually take advantage of trading opportunities like I've just shared. So for the coming 2 days, those are the moves that I'll be looking for. With that being said, I appreciate everybody for your time, tuning in and staying with me until the end. Till next time, I appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Peace.